boys. So that says that from now on, you should also win in football. Okay, not only cricket and volleyball, other things, but also football. Okay, and India, and one of them, that is Mr. Vijay, just coming back from the US, where he has his family. And if you visit other countries, Europe, they always ask a question. How? So the message of Father John Peter, headmaster, the teachers and students, to all of you, that we are really, really grateful to you for having thought of our school also in this way. Therefore, may God bless you and your families, and we are the big heart that you have. It's not just for the school, right? The society at large. Okay, therefore, may God continue to bless you and continue to do the good work that we have started doing many, many years ago. Okay, thank you. As a gesture of appreciation on behalf of the whole school, I would like to invite Father to place the panade. Yeah, okay.
For the rector will don the panade as a sign of our appreciation and request. Thank you, Mr. Rajan. God bless you. Clap score. And Father also will honor Mr. Vijay. Thank you. Clap score. And today they are officially also, like you, just address you, and also reflect their fond memories of the nostalgic moments of this campus. And they are also going to hand over the key.
It's really wonderful to come back to our school. We recall how we used to stand, like all of you, in front of the stage. We never thought of this day. We never thought of 50 years from then. And now it's so wonderful to come back. All of you who are in school, besides learning to be a good citizen, also observe everything that happens here. Donato, who was our headmaster then. And if Mr. Donato were to come to my school without my knowing and see me walk on the corridor, he would think he is walking. And every discipline we have, or what I want my schools to do, is what I learned here. And every time something nice happens, we are forced to recall our school.
Clap score.
Master L. Pradeep of 3B participated in the 42nd Sub-Junior and 52nd Junior State Aquatic Championship and secured silver medal.
UKGA, Advik Simeon, UKGB, Rio Charles, 1A, Elijah John, 1B, Bharati, 1C, Henry Vacancy, 2A, Matthew Francis, 2B, Nivan Sai, 2C, Muhammad Ashir, 3A, Brucey, 3B, Athancio Marshall, Gamalius 3C, Stanislas 4A, Alvin Hebron 4B, Mithran 4C, Mithun Sai 5A, Muhammad Zaid 5B, and Joel Raj 5C. May I ask the class teacher to pick the batch. Claps go. Asir Sohil 11A, Asir Sohail 11A, Jay Siva 11B, Fabian Anthony 11C, Vasikaran 11D, Tarun 12A, Santosh K 12B, Danish Atfa 12C, and Jay Akash 12D. May I invite the class teachers.